Let's start with connecting the center of the circle to tangent point E by drawing the radius of the circle. And remember that tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius of the circle at the point of contact. Therefore, this angle must be a right angle. We are given in the question that triangle ABC is equilateral. So, all internal angles must be 60 degrees. After that, let's focus on this triangle. We can see that this is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And remember that in this special triangle, the side opposite to the 30 degree angle is half the length of hypotenuse. So the length of the line segment OC will be 2 units. After this, notice that this line segment is also a radius of the circle. So one side of the equilateral triangle ABC will be 2 plus r units. Now let's draw another radius, this time connecting point O and D. And then focus on this triangle. And notice that we have two equal sides of radius r. Therefore, we should have equal corresponding angles. And so the remaining angle of this triangle will also be 60 degrees. So this is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, the remaining side must also be r units. We know that the large equilateral triangle has a side length of 2 plus r units. So this side must also be 2 plus r units. Since this part is equal to r units, the remaining part x should be 2 units. And that is our answer. If you are enjoying this content, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.